Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Hellclown / Phase 3 version of Tricky from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the left eye. Start with a steep curve down. And then a curve underneath and inside like this. And add one more curve to the left, about halfway down. Now starting above the middle of the eye, draw an S-curve down, and then curve it back into the eye. Then continue this line from the top with a curve up, to the left and back down. Now draw a curve on the right side down. This will be the center line for our face. Next, let's draw the right eye. Draw a short curve down at the bottom here. Now an S-curve on the top and bottom to draw the top of the eye shape. Then the eyeball under with a half teardrop shape. Now above each eye, draw a rounded shape and then angle it down inwards like this. Next, add some short lines along the middle line. Let's draw the top of the head next. Start above the left side and then curve it down to the top of the right eye here. Next, under the center of the eyes, draw a small curve down. And add some short lines. Now, from under the center of the left eye, draw two bumps over to the middle. Under the left bump, draw a large tooth like this. And then a wider tooth on the right of it. Let's continue this pattern of a bump and then a tooth under towards the left. Make each tooth smaller as you go up. Now let's draw the right side. Draw another large tooth to the right. Next, draw a short diagonal line down from the right eye. Then draw a few more skinny teeth in the same way to the right. Let's draw the sides of the face now. From the side of the right eye, draw two curves out and down to the teeth. Do the same thing on the left side, but stop before reaching the teeth to leave a small gap. Next, draw four small U-shapes under the teeth like this. Now before drawing the bottom of the face, let's draw the left hand. Draw the top of the first finger under the left side. Now draw a curve down on the right end, and a long V shape for the nail. And then add a small curve in here. Now draw a curve for the bottom of the finger. Draw the next finger underneath in the same way like this. Now a short line between the fingers. And draw the back of the hand with an angled line down on the left side. Continue this line down and curve it over to the right. And then add one more curve to close off the bottom of the hand. Next, add 3 lines on the palm to show the creases in the hand. Now to finish it off, draw 2 more fingers on the right. Now that the hand is done, we can finish off the bottom of the face. From the left cheek, draw an S-curve down to the hand. And then one more curve on the left side for the bottom of the head. Now for the bottom right of the teeth, draw a bent line down. And then one more to close off the face. Let's draw the right hand now. Start with 4 fingers drawn in a similar way as the other hand, like this. Now leave a gap on the left side and draw a short curve below. Leave another gap and then draw 2 curved lines to close off the hand. And that's it for the head and hands. Let's draw the shape of the flames around now. Starting slightly above the center of the head, draw curved lines up on an angle to the right. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect or match mine exactly. Next, draw a curved point out from the right cheek. This helps give us a guideline of where to connect the top and bottom of this section. Now draw random curves down to close off the section of the flame. and then add 2 small triangles on the outside. Do the same thing on the top left, but make this one a bit taller and wider. Now continue the left side of the flames down like this. Next, add a curvy flame line between the face and the right hand. Then continue the flame under the hand, ending it at the same level as the other side. Lastly, add a wavy line across for the bottom to close it off. And that's it for Hellclown Tricky. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.